Alright guys, diecastmania here with another video. So today you're looking at the Hot Wheels WorkHorses from 1983. The Caterpillar Bulldozer. This one's based off of the original CAT D10. This was a huge machine in its day. Still is a huge machine. The back. Sorry for the glare, it's from the Protecto pack. Here's all the others that you can get from the series, the WorkHorses. It's on a pretty minty card, actually. The blade goes up and down, tracks roll, very heavy casting. There you go. Thanks for watching, have a great day. Bye.